Joey's Plate, Sphericity, and the Vegan Network are excited to offer a 12-week vegan food styling and photography course they've developed to help aspiring vegans, social media foodies, and influencers improve their food photography game. Not only will you be able to create spectacular images of your food by the end of the course, you'll also learn how to cook and style delicious vegan dishes, as well as how to monetize and grow your online presence. This course is designed for people with little to no food styling or vegan cooking skills and will cover 8 original plant-based recipes developed by Joey's Plate. In addition, during the course you'll learn about camera basics, editing process, photo gear, food styling props for any budget, how to use natural light, how to shoot in low light, how to shoot on location, how to grow your audience on Instagram, how to develop your brand on social media, food photography trends, finding your own style, composition, angles and orientation, mobile food photography, editing on smartphone, and much more. Students will have access to a forum to submit weekly assignments, promote their social media, and gain a new network circle. At the end of the course, the Vegan Network will select a few students who stood out with their exceptional work and give them a chance to advance their brand and careers as content creators and recipe developers.